Building an eco-friendly, sustainable brand is great for the environment, but it's also a business decision that can help increase your customer loyalty and brand perception. Hi, I'm Leah, and we're going to tell you how you can go green with print on demand. Studies have shown that people are willing to pay more for sustainable products, with the largest group being millennials. Millennials and Gen Z are quickly becoming the largest share of consumers, so businesses need to be ready for a future of sustainable consumerism. Every year, millions of tons of clothes are thrown away. According to the Ellen MacArthur Foundation, every second the equivalent of a garbage truck load of clothes is burned or ends up in a landfill. Print on demand is one of the most sustainable business models out there. With apparel and other goods produced on an as-needed basis only, you can reduce inventory, meaning no extra waste if something doesn't sell. About 25% of all big retail stock goes unsold, so it's definitely one of the greener options, as you can offer virtually unlimited products, designs, and variants and not have to worry about overproduction. And since Printify has production partners located all around the globe, you can choose a partner in the same region as your customers, therefore reducing carbon emissions from transport and shipping. Okay, so you're already using print on demand. That's a great start. Now you might be wondering what else you can do to make your store even more eco-friendly. Here are some of our suggestions. First off, find eco-friendly products to add to your store. Printify offers organic, reusable, biodegradable, vegan, and ethical products so you can find the best fit for your store. Things like organic t-shirts and hoodies, reusable bottles and bags, biodegradable phone cases, and vegan candles are just a few examples of the eco-friendly products you could add to your store. Down below, we've linked some more eco-friendly t-shirt options and gift ideas for your business. Besides the products themselves, you should also consider some other things you maybe didn't even know could be an eco-friendly choice, such as printing methods, inks, and packaging. A big step also is to be open about your efforts and show how you're helping the environment. Make sure your brand and marketing reflect your eco-friendly stance. This can be done in subtle ways like little earth-friendly messages in your marketing or boldly and loudly through your name and visual identity. A great practice is to involve your customers. Let them know how they can be a part of your green initiatives. For example, donate a portion from every t-shirt sold to planting a tree. Celebrate your green achievements with your customers and let them know what you've achieved together. And lastly, educate your customers. Don't just market and promote, but throw in some educational content or facts about your green initiatives. Another step you could take to be greener: reduce the need for returns. Returns mean extra transportation emissions and packaging waste. But Leah, that's totally out of my control. Yes, we know products don't always come out perfectly, or sometimes you just get a not so satisfied customer, but there are still ways to reduce the need for returns. How? The easiest way to reduce returns is by creating better product content. Be as detailed as possible and include as much info as you can about the product. Showcase your products online as much as you can. For example, if you're selling an organic dress, customers not only want to see colors, sizes, and materials, but maybe also texture, country of origin, or on a model that's similar in size and shape to themselves. Use various models showing different colors and show details of your model, such as height and size. It's also good to provide photos in different lighting and from different angles, or to even include a video of the product. The better informed customers are, the less likely there'll be a need for a return. There are certainly benefits of going green, not just for our planet, but for your business. Edelman, a global PR firm, published a study suggesting that 73% of consumers would rather buy from a brand of equal quality if that brand supported a good cause. Businesses that have implemented more eco-friendly practices are more likely to build a more powerful, well-rounded, and attractive brand. On top of that, some businesses may even benefit from potential tax breaks or grants for their green practices. One thing to avoid when on your green journey is something called greenwashing, where more time and money is spent on marketing yourself as eco-friendly as opposed to actually minimizing your environmental impact. This isn't just misleading, but it cheapens your brand and does nothing for the environment. Sustainability matters a great deal to Printify. That's why we've also taken a step to reduce our carbon footprint and have joined the Tech Green Pledge, pledging to make our company climate neutral by 2030. Begin your eco-friendly business journey by identifying key areas. Where can you go green with your business right away? You don't need to do it all at once, just take a step in the right direction. If you'd like to know more about sustainable options with Printify, check out some of our articles, which we've linked for you down below. If you've already committed to being green, how have you implemented environmentally friendly practices in your online business? We'd love to see your ideas down below, and we'd love to see you like and subscribe to our channel for more content on bettering your brand.